Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily use Cloud AI to analyze stocks. Let's begin. First, open up your Cloud AI account. You can use any browser you wish, and we're going to use Google Finance for this. So Google Finance, click on this link and choose any stock. I'm going to choose Tesla. Scroll down until you see this financials chart. So you could just take a screenshot and we're going to head back to Cloud AI, paste this, and you could just ask the cloud to analyze the stocks and compare it to any dates you wish. So, and here you go. You can just now easily browse through the charts and further ask AI for any clarification. Now, here is the game changer. You can go back to Google Finance and choose any competitor for this stock. Let's just say, for example, this one, China. This might be it. Then scroll down. You can also screenshot this, head back to Cloud AI, and then just ask, compare the Tesla stock to this stock. And then just hit enter. So now you have everything you need. You can now individually go to the charts and see any sections you are very intrigued about. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.